Hola! Oh, this. Well, I'm just relaxing here and learning a new language, Spanish. Really. I found this program called Rocket Spanish on the internet that actually makes learning a foreign language fun. Not only that, but the program is inexpensive, easy to use, and, well, it just makes learning enjoyable. Learning a new language isn't easy, but the Rocket Spanish course really makes learning interesting. It also includes documents with cards and games to help speed up the learning process. In addition, the program won't cost a fortune. In fact, it is very reasonably priced and very easy to install. You have a choice of buying a complete package and having it sent to you, or you can simply download everything to your PC. The MP3 files could even be downloaded to your MP3 player and can be taken with you to listen to at your own convenience. So if you don't mind, I'd like to get back to the course and find out how Mauricio managed to get into that rock concert without buying tickets. If you're interested in learning Spanish, do yourself a favor and order the intro and advanced versions of Rocket Spanish today. Even if you studied Spanish in school, you're going to find that your Spanish is going to improve quickly with Rocket Spanish. Hasta luego.